I tried garlic on my pimples for 3 days. The results shocked me. Did you know that one of the most powerful ingredients to fight acne and dark spots might already be sitting in your kitchen? Yes, it's garlic. Garlic is not just for flavoring food, it's an ancient natural remedy used for centuries for its healing and antibacterial powers. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a simple garlic spot treatment, explain its amazing skin benefits, and show you how to use it safely and effectively for clearer skin. To make this simple spot treatment, you'll only need 1 or 2 fresh garlic cloves, a teaspoon of honey, optional but great for sensitive skin, and a few drops of aloe vera gel or rose water to dilute it. Here's how to prepare it. 1. Peel 1 garlic clove and crush it completely to release its natural oils. 2. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. This helps activate a compound called allicin, which gives garlic its strong antibacterial power. 3. If your skin is sensitive, mix the crushed garlic with honey or aloe vera gel. This helps reduce the burning sensation while keeping the antibacterial benefits. 4. You can store the mixture in a small, clean container in the fridge for up to 2 days, but it's best when fresh. Benefits. So, what makes garlic so effective for acne and dark spots? 1. Fights acne-causing bacteria. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful natural antibiotic that kills acne-causing bacteria and prevents new breakouts. 2. Reduces inflammation. If you have red, swollen pimples, garlic helps calm the skin and reduce irritation naturally. 3. Lightens dark spots and acne scars. Garlic improves blood circulation and promotes new cell growth over time. It helps fade acne marks and hyperpigmentation. 4. Detoxifies the skin. Its natural sulfur compounds purify pores, helping remove toxins and excess oil that clog the skin. 5. Boosts skin immunity. With its antioxidants, garlic strengthens your skin barrier and keeps it resistant to future breakouts. Here's how to apply it. Start with a clean face, wash gently and pat dry. Using a cotton swab or your fingertip, dab a tiny amount of the garlic mixture directly on the affected spot. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes only, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Do this once a day, preferably at night. If you feel any strong burning, wash it off immediately. Garlic is very potent. Always do a patch test first on your arm before applying it to your face. Used carefully, garlic can be your secret weapon for clearer, smoother, and naturally glowing skin. So next time a pimple shows up, skip the chemicals and reach for nature's antibiotic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple natural remedies that really work.